Have you ever wondered how your body fights off diseases? It's all thanks to a complex network known as the immune system. This intricate system is a cadre of organs, tissues, cells, and molecules, each playing a crucial role in safeguarding your body against harmful invaders. From the skin that serves as a frontline barrier, to the white blood cells maturing within the bone marrow and thymus, every component is essential. Now let's delve deeper into the organs and tissues that make up this incredible defense system. The immune system's organs and tissues serve as both protective barriers and maturation and storage sites for white blood cells, known as lymphocytes. Let's start with the bone marrow, the cradle of our immune system. This is where all cells of the immune system are produced. It's like a bustling factory, constantly churning out a variety of cells that keep our body healthy and disease-free. Next, we have the tonsils and adenoids, located in the buccal cavity. These unsung heroes are often the first line of defense, trapping harmful bacteria and viruses that we breathe in or swallow. The thymus, nestled in the thoracic cavity, is the training ground for T cells, a type of lymphocyte. Here they mature and learn to recognize and attack invaders. The lymph nodes and lymphatic vessels, part of the lymphatic system, act like filters, trapping foreign particles and bacteria. The spleen, located in the abdominal cavity, is like a quality control center. It filters our blood, removing old or damaged blood cells and platelets. The appendix and Peyer's patches in the intestines, along with the mucosa-associated lymphoid tissues in the gastrointestinal tract, nose, and respiratory tract, play a crucial role in maintaining the balance between immunity and tolerance to beneficial gut bacteria. Lastly, our skin, the largest organ of our body, serves as a physical barrier against external threats. These organs and tissues are the first line of defense against any invading pathogens. So, as we can see, the immune system's organs and tissues play a crucial role in our body's defense. They serve dual functions, acting as protective barriers, and as maturation and storage sites for lymphocytes. The skin and mucous membranes, for example, act as our body's first line of defense, forming an anatomical barrier against external threats. Meanwhile, the bone marrow, lymph nodes, and other lymphoid organs are where the magic really happens. The bone marrow is our body's immune cell factory, producing all types of immune cells, including B lymphocytes. These B cells, along with other immune cells, mature within the bone marrow itself. On the other hand, the thymus, nestled within our thoracic cavity, is where T lymphocytes, or T cells, undergo maturation. This process involves intricate gene rearrangements, equipping each B and T cell with a unique receptor for recognizing specific antigens. Understanding these organs and tissues gives us a greater appreciation for the complexity and efficiency of our immune system, our body's remarkable defense mechanism against disease.